Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you another circuit that I have constructed using various snap circuits. I call it the distorted strobe integrated circuit. This circuit uses a battery pack B1 with two AA batteries, a slide switch S1, a speaker SP2, a music integrated circuit U1, a strobe integrated circuit U23, and a color LED D8, and of course all the other snap wires, and etc. So, here's how the circuit works. When you turn on the slide switch, what happens is that the color LED is controlling the strobe integrated circuit U23 that's being outputted by the speaker. So the LED is changing the pitch in the strobe integrated circuit, making the speaker output weird sounds. But then, when it comes to the music integrated circuit, it distorts the strobe integrated circuit and it comes out crackly. So, when the slide switch S1 is turned on, electricity starts from these batteries, flows through the slide switch, and through the 7 snap, and through the 2 snap. And it goes through all these circuitries at the same time. But why? The answer is because this is a parallel circuit, and it is not in series. If it was a series circuit, then all of the electric paths, then the electricity would go through the circuitries, one at a time. So when the electricity goes through this tube, it goes through the speaker and through this tube and into the music integrated circuit. And some of it goes out through both of these 3s and continues through the 7 because it can't go this way and backwards through the slide switch because electricity can't flow backwards. And also, some of it goes out through this tube and into the strobe integrated circuit. And some of it goes out through this tube and back to the batteries, and some of it goes out through this 3 and into the color LED D8. When it goes through this 3, it enters the music integrated circuit. And how does it get out? The answer is, it can go out through this 2 and through the speaker and through this 2 and continue through the 7, or it could go out this 3 and continue through the 7, or it could do all the other electric paths. But where's the electricity go when it goes in this 3? The answer is all the same pathways, except these 3s are switched. So, what happens when the electricity goes through this 3? The answer is, it goes into the strobe integrated circuit. And some of it goes out through this 2 and back to the battery pack, and some of it goes through this 2 and into the music integrated circuit, and it flows through all these circuitries over here. But it doesn't go this way because it can't go backwards through the slide switch, like I showed you. And when it goes through the color LED D8 directly, it goes into the strobe integrated circuit. Some of it goes out through this 2, and some of it goes straight to the 2 and back to the batteries. And some of it goes through this 2 and flows out through all the circuitries from the music integrated circuit. So that's where the electricity flows through the circuit. But it only goes through this battery pack once, as you noticed. But why? I don't know. If you know why, please tell me. Anyway, now we are going to turn the circuit on. So this is what happens when you turn on the slide switch. The color LED D8 blinks, and you'll hear a weird changing pitch, staticky sound from the speaker, since the music integrated circuit is distorting it. Then it would just sound like normal tones if it was just the strobe integrated circuit. And you notice the strobe integrated circuit is kind of also affecting the color LED D8, because as it gets dimmer when it blinks, you notice it starts to act like a strobe light. And As you can see, the color LED has a certain pattern that it goes through over and over and over again until you turn off the circuit. Please ignore the birds outside. They're obnoxious this morning. So now electricity is flowing through the circuit, activating all the circuitries. So the only visible part is the LED D8. And the only part that you can hear for proof of electricity is the speaker. So why can't you see the electricity in all the other snap wires and integrated circuits and stuff, etc.? The answer is because they have special coverings so you don't get electrocuted. And also, the human fingers can conduct electricity like that. But in this case, if I take out this 2-snap and the circuit turns off, I can't activate it with my fingers because human electricity is weaker than battery electricity. So the 2-snap has to be put in order for the circuit to work. And now we are going to turn off the slide switch to not waste the batteries. So now the slide switch is turned off, keeping all the electricity in the battery pack. So it is blocking the electricity from going through the circuits. Because the slide switch is blocking the electricity, so what the electricity is doing, it's trying to go through, but the slide switch is blocking it off, so it's just all being stored in the battery pack right now. Also, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please comment, subscribe, or rate. Thank you.